Today I'm going to show you how to use the Graco painter to start painting and also how to unclog the system in case you see the spray tip clogged. Here are the symptoms. Right now I have it hooked up to this paint bucket. Right now the switch is in the prime position, the unit is on, and the dial is set to start. When I try to spray from here, I get nothing out of the nozzle. So that's where I know I have a clog and I have to clean the system a bit. When I lift up this output tube with the system on, paint is flowing out, so I know that there's no clog in these two lines in the input and output, so it must be in the blue line up to the sprayer. So now I'm going to disconnect the sprayer head because I want to clean the filter and I want to clean the nozzle. So using this wrench, I'm just going to hold it in place and then turn the nozzle part counterclockwise until it breaks, and then just remove the nozzle part of it. Within the handle area, there is this filter. So just pull it straight out and we can see that it's gunked up. So now I have to go to the sink, make sure the hot/warm water is running, and then just wash down this filter. Now we'll put the filter back in its place and then screw the nozzle part back on clockwise until it's tight. Now using a wrench with one hand and then tightening it with my other hand, that's really all you need to tighten this thing up. I'll put this clip back in place, and now we'll go to the spray head. Turning the silver ring counterclockwise, the spray tip will come off. Wash the spray tip under warm water, try to get as much paint as you can off of it, and then flip the spray tip between spray and the prime position, just to make sure both sides are clean. Sometimes I've found that one part may be clogged, so just make sure it's rinsed thoroughly. And we'll just turn the silver ring clockwise, and that'll get the spray tip back onto this whole assembly. Lastly, we'll put this clip back in its place. Now check the settings. This part should be at the start position as shown here. This C switch should be in the up position for priming. The spray tip should be in the unclogged position. The power switch should be on, and the suction and drain tubes should be in the paint bucket. Now as I'm squeezing the trigger, paint is coming out. Note that it may take up to 90 seconds to get some paint flowing through the system. Now to get into the spray position, we'll turn this unit back off. We will flip the C switch down to spray. Turn this dial past the start. And then we'll turn this unit back on. Turn the spray tip to the spray position, and then aim it into the bucket and squeeze the trigger. And that's it. Now you're ready to paint, and now you know how to unclog the system as well.